So earlier we saw implicit cursors. Now we will discuss about the explicit cursors. Okay. If we are defining implicit cursor, whenever the DML event occurs in the PL/SQL block or any select statement with a single record, if it is fetches, implicit cursor occurs. Means automatically implicit cursor will triggers. Okay. But explicit cursor not like that. The explicit cursor or programmer defined cursor. Who is the programmer?
User.
Not user. User and programmer, they have a very lot of difference. User means what is the program front end thing, who is using, that guy is user. Okay. Programmer means who is writing the code. That person is called the programmer. So we are the programmers, not a users. Users are different who are using the applications. Those are the users. So explicit cursor, explicitly we are creating for gaining more control over the over the context area net. Generally, context area is nothing but a private memory area. Like PL/SQL block, we will use it. So an explicit cursor should be defined in the declaration section. How other variables we are declared in the PL/SQL block declarative section. Same way, we will create the explicitly cursor in the declarative section in the PL/SQL block. Okay. It created on select statement which returns more than one. Generally, by using a PL/SQL block, even implicit cursor also, we saw more than one record we are not able to fetch from the PLC. Any select statement in the PL/SQL block. So, if you want to fetch all data from the table or all the data from the multiple tables, or matched records from the multiple tables, whatever your query result set, whatever the result set is giving, whole data you want to fetch it, we will go with the explicit cursor. The explicit cursor is a user defined cursor. Okay. So, if we are talking generally, we don't name like a explicit cursor. Generally, we will call as a cursor. Cursor means cursor, we will create it. Okay. So, here, implicit cursor means we will explicitly say implicit cursor, but the explicit cursor, no need to specify it is a explicit cursor. Cursor means it is a explicit cursor. Okay. So cursor, if we are talking about the cursor, cursor is a private area. Cursor is a private
area. Contrary memory.
Yeah, it is created by PLC to execute a cursor select statements in PLC block. So happening every time. Okay, once we are creating cursor associated with a select statement, first thing, okay, how it will be, we will see. Syntax for the cursor is are you able to see my screen?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Cursor cursor name is cursor name is select
Select state.
means actually it is a selection, not a selection of table name. Cursor name is a select query, we can say. Select query means it can be multiple tables, it can be a single table, whatever it may be. Cursor name is a select statement, we can say. So here, actually where we will declare, this is everywhere in the declarative section. If it is anonymous block or PLC equal named block, named block, whatever it may be, it should be in the declaration section. Syntax is cursor.
Cursor name.
Cursor name is a select query. Okay. This is the, after that, wherever it block is there, whatever it may be, common. So in between, there are multiple things. Okay. There are multiple things. So what we will use? These are all the things. Extract cursor, if you are saying, it having a 4 parts. Okay. 4 types. Okay. What are the 4 types? You cannot say 4 types. Actually, we can. Cursor with a declaration means that is what we saw just now. Another thing is cursor with a declaration. Cursor declaration with the parameters. Cursor for loop. Another one, cursor for loop with select statement. Okay. These 4 type of things are there. Again, this is for explicit cursor. So same way, how Earlier, for implicit cursor, what are the attributes are there? We are talking about the attributes, right? These are the attributes. Same way, it will work like a cursor. Implicit cursor of it works. But only thing is here, extra found, percentage not found, percentage row count are same. But here, extra thing is open.
Is open.
Is open is the extra attribute here. What is the is open? Cursor declared. After the declaration, we have to open the cursor. If after the open cursor,
close the cursor.
without opening the cursor, if you are giving this one percentage is open, if you defining it, then if cursor is open, cursor name percentage is open, returns a true. If cursor is not open, then it will returns the false. This is also Boolean value. This is a Boolean value, like percentage found, not found also Boolean values. Same way percentage is open also Boolean value. If cursor opens, then it is true. Cursor not opens, then false. So that we will check it. Okay. By using this attribute. Remaining row count is same. Each cursor, suppose on table it contains 14 records. Then 14 row count. If it is fetching all the records, then 14 records. If another table contains 20, one table contains 14, but joining condition matches only 15 records total, right? Then 15 records it will give. That row count, if you are fetching, it will give the row number as a 15. But percentage found, percentage, yeah, it will work. Like earlier, already I explained same way. If cursor percentage found, if you are giving, if it is a found, then true. If not found, then false.
False.
For percentage not found, if it is a true, somewhere if not found also it will give. Exactly reverse from the percentage found. Percentage found and percentage not found, exactly oppositely it will work. Okay. Already I explained about percentage found and percentage not found. But only thing is extra. Earlier we used it with the SQL percentage found, SQL percentage not found, SQL percentage row count. But now what is the cursor name is there, right? Like here, cursor name, explicit cursor, right? Every cursor has its own name. So cursor name, percentage not found, percentage found, percentage, cursor name, percentage row count, cursor name, percentage is open. Like this we will give. Okay. Earlier SQL percentage, that is for implicit cursor. But the explicit cursor, we have to specify cursor name, percentage found, percentage not found, percentage row count, cursor name, percentage is open. Okay. Actually, if you are seeing